I am the girl gardener, and this is my cottage garden. I don't live in a cottage, it's just a cottage garden, and it's 5 years in the making. A slightly different start to today's video. I'm going to the farm to go get some wood chips for the garden. I was supposed to go yesterday, but this happened. And then this happened. All within the space of like 15 minutes at home. So I decided, no, I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm going to stay at home because you never know what events that might trigger off. Oh, and also the day before, a woman backed into me at the traffic lights. Like, I was just waiting in the traffic lights. She put a car into reverse and started backing up, and I was like, what are you doing? So I started honking the horn and she didn't stop. But thankfully there's no damage to my car. It was like there wasn't enough of a run up for her to be able to actually cause damage, and then she just drove off. So, and the thing is, the weird thing that happened before that was that as I was driving, I was driving out of a car park and my dash cam fell off my window, and so there's no footage of it. But anyway, we're off to the farm today. It's due to rain a little bit later this afternoon, so it's a good time to go now. It's freezing cold again, and I think we had full spring last week. It was absolutely glorious last week, but yeah, today we're back to the very cold weather. So yeah, I need to fill up first. Oh, I have half a tank of petrol. Mr. Girl Gardener took my car yesterday. He borrowed the car yesterday. So he must have filled it up for me. So I don't need to fill up. I can go straight to the farm. So I'll see you there. So here's me, and here's the wood chips. It's a very small pile of wood chips. Normally all this section is just full of wood chips, but I suppose they're getting deliveries and stuff, so yep, that's fine, I'll get started. Hi! Hello! Hi! How are you? Oh, wow. You're so beautiful. Hello. This place, they basically sell like chickens and stuff like that. So I don't know what this is. This is an emu? An ewe? I don't know. And there's a beautiful rooster just there. Absolutely beautiful rooster. How are you? Are you good? I don't want to stress you out. Oh wow, your head came straight through there, didn't it? I don't want to get pegged. so. There's a peacock right over there. They do have peacocks as well. Just walking around. And we just got hailstones. That's so crazy. There's hailstones. I'm not going to film on the other side because somebody's come, so they've parked their car there. I don't want to film their car, but... Oh, that's so crazy. I just realised my car windows were open and it's all come inside. Okay, I wasn't totally done. I've strapped a bag into the front seat. This is the back seat, and I was putting some in the boot. I've left a bag outside. Sorry, I'm talking loud right next to the camera. I've left a bag outside, and my shovel is still outside, so... Yeah. And these are all just recycled bags from just various things. And that's it, the sun's come out. But I'm going to call it a day anyway, because everything's just soaking wet now. And let's just go back home. Hi, chickens. Hi. Hi. I'm going now, bye. It's been a couple of seasons since I have mulched over our raspberry bed. I have been adding chicken manure and some potash to the soil, but mulch-wise I've not done anything. So this is what I'm going to use some of our wood chips for. This is what the raspberry bed currently looks like. It gives us lots and lots of fruit every year, so I think it's in need of a good treat of mulch. Not a bad job at all, considering it was very, very cold. It was a sunny day, but it was about 7 degrees and it probably felt about 3 or 4 degrees. But it's done and ready for spring, and the best thing about it is that all these wood chips were free. And I spotted the first ladybird of the year, who was very happy for me to carry on working around him, or her. That's all I've got time for this week. Didn't get as much done as I would have liked to due to a few unfortunate events that happened, but we got through it anyway. I have noticed that some people who do watch my videos have forgotten to subscribe, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.